Hey everybody, we're going to do a little fixed timing for the Megasquirt. I'll show you how to do that. So this is how we do this. Let me close this. Now, this is real simple. A lot of people will have a Megasquirt and with Fox Body Mustang or SN95 with a 5.0 still, they will pull the spout out. And that is not what you do. Do not take the spout out. To adjust the timing on the vehicle, what you need to do is go into this table right here, go to your ignition, yes, that's what it was. Okay, let's just double check and make sure. Anyways, let's close this one behind it. Anyways, what you go into this table, there's a spot that says right here, fixed advance. You need to go there. Now it's using the table. If you can see, it says use table. Click on that, and you want to fix the timing. Now also another window popped up, and right there it says 20 degrees. Now what you want to do is, because it's fixed at 20 degrees, you take a timing gun, go out to the engine, and check your timing. If it's off a hair, say like it's maybe 15 degrees or 25 degrees, you adjust the distributor to line it up so you can get 20 degrees on the crankshaft with the timing gun. Then when you got it locked in, you tighten it up, then go back to this here and change it over to use the table. Now, don't forget, when you're driving the adjusting the timing, you go, like I said, to fixed timing. You get 20 degrees. Usually, an engine runs better at 20 degrees versus 10 degrees, depending on how dramatic the engine, the camshaft is on the engine, how dramatic the engine is. And don't forget to hit burn. If you don't hit burn, it won't install it onto the computer, and it won't lock it at 20 degrees. You got to do that first. Adjust the distributor, then get your 20 degrees on the distributor with the timing gun, then come back, change it back to use table. And that's your table, your ignition timing table. And then don't forget to burn it after that as well. All right? And that is how you adjust your timing on a Megasquirt, on a Fox Body, SN95 with a 302, what do you call it, Ford Thunderbirds, and so on and so on. That's how you do it with those little pieces. Do not take the little spout, they call them, on those little, right by your distributor or by your fender well, depending on which vehicle you have. Do it that way. All righty? You guys have a good day. If you have any more questions, hit me up.